Good morning. It's Friday. There we go. Let's go charging into the weekend, right? Making our days. It's cold. It's clear. It's crisp. I love fall. All right. See you soon. Oh, I missed the button. Halloween, people getting rid of their candy.
All right, we're heading back in from lunch. I don't want to go back to work. It's a beautiful day. It's a cool November day. It's fantastic. It's sunny. Look at this. It's just great. Hope you're enjoying your day. Sorry, you're looking at my nose. Here's the day. There's someone coming down the hallway behind me. So I'm going to talk as we walk out. Got some stuff done. Let's go get more stuff done. Woo! You. I just can't get this thing to stay put to my satisfaction anywhere in this car. And I really want to get the TT going because I've got the best setup in there. Oh well. So I'm going to be a little angled, I suppose. That's okay. I just got to remember, to straighten it and try to keep my hand out in front of the lens while I'm doing it. All right, today it's been a perfectly fine day. I have liked to think that we are caught up and current on our vlogs on YouTube. As I'm saying that, we aren't. I've got pretty much this whole week of stuff that I just haven't put up there yet, Monday through Friday, and it's Friday, at the end of the workday on Friday. Tomorrow is the 30th anniversary of the end of the Cold War, of the Berlin Wall coming down. It's a big deal. 30 years ago in the summer, I was behind that wall and I got to also be in front of that wall. That's true. I was in East and West Germany that summer with church, with our youth group. Got photos to prove it, although I lost a bunch of them because those are back in the film days, and film was precious. It wasn't like digital. It wasn't like having a phone. I'm right now, as I've been trying to clear all these videos off my phone that I put on there just since July, making these YouTube videos now that I'm doing that, and I'm just so afraid to delete them. I got a bunch of them off onto a portable drive. It's just a little USB drive that's has a lightning connector on it that goes into the phone. So spend some time doing that. You should have seen videos about that already if you're watching this. So tomorrow, maybe I'll have a little discussion about what this means to me, this 30th anniversary, this 30th anniversary of when I was there too. It was pretty significant having the opportunity to, I'm having trouble with the verbalizations today, to go see what it was like behind the Iron Curtain, to be in East Germany with East Germans and talk to them about what life was like back on behind the curtain, as it were. And I'm just going to give you a preview of coming attractions. Your day-to-day portions of being a human being were very much the same, but it wasn't good. It just wasn't good. All right. Friday in front of us has some sand volleyball early, 6:20, and then a concert. We're going to go see the cover band that has marketed themselves as Yacht Rock. We kind of on a lark saw them already one time. We saw them last spring or winter. I think it was in February. And when they came back around, we enjoyed it. So we're going back to do that thing with a bunch of other people that are probably, 50, having a good time. So that's what the future holds in store right now. We will talk at you when we talk at you. I hope you have made your week. Hope you've made your day. If you haven't done that, if you have not been an active participant in your day and made your day what you want your day to be, now's a good time to start. It's here where I am. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday, a little after 4 on a Friday. Go make it. Start making it now, today. Do it. So the amount of sub-assembly that we have to deal with to get this thing off of here is absolutely ridiculous. So remember, I am trying to get to something that is down here. Straight down below, that little black cap you can see kind of poking out. It won't focus on it. So I have to remove this battery tray. To do that, the nut there, screw there, screw here, which took forever. I had to soak it overnight. And now buried underneath the headlight is this last one right there. Right, so I've had to take the wheel back off so that I can undo the things to loosen the bumper cover so that I could take out the headlight, scoot the headlight up and out of the way just so that I can get to this right here so I can take the battery tray out so I can put the used part that I got from a junkyard for less than $4. Thank you, Audi, for making it complicated. Wish me luck. You were difficult. You go up here with all this stuff. All right. Alright, that will make it at least a little bit easier to get to this part they're trying to get to now. There's a clip there, you see the clip right there. I gotta carefully get that up. And a whole bunch of stuff's gonna spill all over the place, which is kind of a bummer, so we're gonna have to work on that. You were difficult. You go up here with all this stuff. All right. Alright, that will make it at least a little bit easier to get to this part they're trying to get to now. There's a clip there, you see the clip right there. I gotta carefully get that up. And a whole bunch of stuff's gonna spill all over the place, which is kind of a bummer, so we're gonna have to work on that.